Good morning from Singapore. This is our second full day here.
Right now, we're gonna have breakfast here at Maxwell Food Center. Behind us is Chinatown. Today, we're going to the Gardens by the Bay. We're gonna explore the Flower Dome and Cloud Forest. And then this afternoon, hopefully up until sunset, dun kami sa Sky Park at the Marina Bay Sands. And then for our dinner, babalik kami dito sa area na to. Go to Chinatown. Dun kami magdi-dinner. Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala! Let's go! Sobrang daming kainan dito sa Maxwell Food Center. Ang dami pang closed eh. Right now, I think I want Hainanese chicken rice. Pero gusto kong ikutin muna lahat. Parang gusto ko rin ng kaya toast. So, I don't know. Tignan natin kung anong kakainin namin talaga. Dahil masarap. This is one of the popular stalls here. The Chan Chan Hainanese chicken rice. And that's what we're gonna have. Ito yung pila niya. Chan! Haba ng pila. So, Tony got the steamed Hainanese rice, large. I got the roasted so that we can taste both. And some oyster sauce vegetable. We also bought, what's this, sugarcane drink. So, yan. So, the medium roasted chicken rice is for $7. The vegetable is for $2. And then the large one is for $9. Sugar cane drink is for $2.50. Kain na kami! Try natin yung popular na chicken rice nila. Bigyan ng konting hot sauce. Worth it yung pila. Di ba kami pumili ng matagal? Siguro 10 minutes. Probably less. Worth it naman siya. Pero yung sa likod namin medyo mahaba na yung pila nila. Sarap. Mas gusto ko yung kay Tony, yung steamed kesa dun sa roasted. Pero masarap pa din siya. Mas masarap lang yung, hindi ko ito steamed yun o boiled eh. Pero yung hindi roasted. Really good. So, kahit mahaba yung pila, mabilis naman siya. Kasi you pay for your food here and then you pick it up on the other side. Tapos super bilis lang nila. So, yan. So, another thing that we really want to try is the kaya toast. So, order kami dito. And we're gonna have the popular kaya toast. We got the set meal with 1 classic toast, 2 half-boiled eggs, and 1 coffee. It's for $3.40. Okay, so we got our coffee and eggs. We're just waiting for the toast, but I'm gonna prepare the eggs now while we wait.
So now she's preparing the eggs for our kaya toast.
Ayan na yung toast.
Ayan na yung ano namin. done with breakfast. We ordered chicken rice and kaya. So, hindi kami nakakontento sa chicken rice. Nagkaya toast pa kami with coffee. Sobrang sarap niya. So, nagiging favorite ko na rin siya. Kapantay na siya ng Japan. Grabe, food trip lang talaga ang gagawin mo dito sa Singapore. Sobrang sarap ng food nila.
So, sobrang sarap niya talaga. Tapos, marami siyang stalls actually na Hainanese chicken din yung tinda. Pero meron isa yung kinainan namin. Pinipilahan kasi siya talaga. Although, may mga nabasa naman kami, nakita na kahit hindi siya popular, same lang na sobrang sarap pa rin ng lasa. So, maybe next time if we get the chance, tatry kami ng ibang stalls naman for the same Hainanese chicken. Pero yun talaga yung pinunta namin, especially here sa Maxwell. Yung Hainanese chicken at saka yung kaya yung hinanap talaga namin today. 2-in-1 na namin.
So medyo mainit lang talaga sa loob kasi maraming tao. Ewan ko lang kung anong difference nung unang lane ng mga food. Kasi doon medyo malamig, tapos yung gitna ang init, parang walang hangin. Tapos yung pangatlo, since siguro open, saka nasa side sila, we suggest na doon kayo pumesto para hindi ganun kainit. Kasi yung gitna, medyo mainit siya.
At saka may CR, malinis, malaki naman siya. Tapos meron din silang water fountain, so pwede kayo mag-refill ng tumbler nyo. Or doon na kayo kumuha ng water nyo if ayaw nyong bumili ng drink. So, yun lang. Medyo mainit na dito. Lalarga na kami. Tara! Tara! Okay, so this time, mag-MRT naman kami. Medyo mainit kasi ito si aircon sa MRT. So,
parang gusto ko na mag-MRT. Lagi.
So, depende kung saan pupunta. Pero yes, MRT tayo for this video. Let's go! Tara! So this is Outram Park.
Please mind the platform gap.
Akala ko Outram. Outram pala. Outram. Just to share, nag-try kaming gumamit ng ako GCash card, si Tony GoTime card. Trinay namin siyang gamitin sa, well, yun yung ginagamit namin dito sa bus at saka sa train. So medyo matagal lang siya mag-register dun sa app. Pero so yung bus namin kahapon, ngayon lang nag-register. So yung sa akin, 160 pesos.
Yung sa akin, 162 pesos. Yung card ko naman na GoTime, nakuha namin ng libre.
Yes.
Sa Bacolod. When we were in Bacolod, so libre lang siya. So hindi ko lang sure kung may bayad na yung GoTime card nila ngayon.
GCash 200 pesos yung kuha ko dun sa card. But then again, when you're here or when you're abroad, sobrang convenient na niya, and yun lang yung difference niya. 2 piso lang from using GoTime and GCash. So, wag na kayong bumili ng mga train cards kasi pwede nyo nang gamitin yung mga cards nyo na yan. Kung meron kayo. So, baka kayo pumunta dito, kumuha na kayo ng either GoTime or GCash card. Now you know.
GCash Globe at Gokong Way, baka naman.
If you're a tourist in Singapore, you can get unlimited rides to the trains and buses, all public transportations. So you can get at 1 day to 3 days na pass. 1 day is $22, 2 days $29, and 3 days is $34. So kung marami kayong pupuntahan, maraming beses kayo sasakay ng train and ng buses, you can get this. Now here at Bugis Street. And so dito makakabili ng kung anik-anik and pasalubong, mga souvenirs. So welcome to Bugis Street. We're now here at Bugis Street and we're going to look for shot glass din tsaka pasalubong. Tara! So yung cup na ganito, $12 if you're only buying 1 piece, $20 if you're buying 2. May mga sale sila. Nakabili na rin kami ng shot glass. So, shot glass 3 for $12, but if you're buying only 1, $5 siya. Tapos yung ref magnet, 3 for $10. If isa lang yung bibilin mo, $3 lang siya. So, may mga sale dito, pampasalubong, may mga ganun sila. 3 for ganyan.
Hindi namin alam kung pwede tumawad kasi hindi kami tumatawad.
Or feeling ko hindi na kasi nakalagay na yun. Tsaka discounted na yung prices niya eh. Bugis Street. It's in front of Bugis Junction. We're also getting kaya. This one is 2 for $12. Bali na mabigat sa bag. Kaya natin yan. At dahil sobrang init, mag-slurpee muna tayo. I got the mini lang for $1.70. Sarap, lamig. So from Bugis Street, we're now walking to get to Haji Lane. Medyo mainit lang, pero laban lang.
Laban!
Laban natin to. Galing di kami sa tropical country. Okay, so we made it to Haji Lane. So madami siyang mga boutiques and kung anik-anik. So we're looking for the spot where there are graffitis. So maganda mag-photo doon. So this is Haji Lane. Tara! Okay, so we found this shop and dala kami sa baklava. It's one of Tony's favorite desserts.
Yeah.
So, bili tayo. Let's go. So, this one piece of pistachio baklava is for $4. And let's try it. Ang sarap niya. Hindi ko na-explain. Hindi naman ako food vlogger. Very good. So here in Singapore, we're using the live view so we can get to our destination. We're going to Bugis MRT. We're gonna take the MRT to Gardens by the Bay.
So ayun na nga, pumasok kami sa isang
Gubat.
Ayun o. Ay, sobrang init. Akala namin may mawawala pa kami kasi parang ang daming ginagawa dito sa Marina, sa ano, saan ba tayo?
Gardens by the Bay. So bumaba kami sa Gardens by the Bay station ng MRT. Na feeling ko dapat Bayfront MRT kami bumaba. Pero sige lang, okay lang din.
Sige, lakad pa more, laban, kahit ang init.
Sabi kasi ni Google sa Gardens by the Bay, so sumunod kami. Pero parang ang layo din ng lakad. Kita na namin yung Cloud Forest.
Walang tao dito, kami lang. Medyo nakakatakot, pero
meron naman, panakanaka.
Ano ang bagyo? Panakanaka. Aming ulan. Lakad pa more! Tara! Sabay tayong mapagod.
Let's go!
Let's go!
So yung dinaanan namin took us directly to the Super Tree Grove.
Hindi kami umikot ng malayo, so tama siya.
At saka ano, since foresty nga siya, hindi siya ganun kainit. So,
humid lang talaga. Ang lapot, pawis.
Yeah, so ang lapot na ng pawis namin. So we're gonna go to Cloud Forest or Flower Dome, whatever, kung anong unahin. Let's go!
Tara!
We're gonna go first to the Flower Dome. Thank you. So we just used our QR code to get inside the Flower Dome. Uy, sarap ang lamig. So we're inside the Flower Dome. So we're currently here at the Flower Dome in Gardens by the Bay, and we booked this ticket via Klook. So I'll put the link down below so that you can just click it if you also want to book Flower Dome and Cloud Forest in Gardens by the Bay. And you can use our promo code Shop Explorers to get more discounts. Tara, ikutin na natin to. Let's go!
Let's go!
For Cloud Forest, we're using the same QR code. Thank you. So you use the same QR code na ginamit sa Flower Dome to get in the Cloud Forest.
So, medyo maraming tao today kasi it's a weekend. So it's a Saturday. So medyo mahirap. Struggle is real ang pagkuha ng pictures. Pero sige, laban. Kuha lang ng kuha.
Yes, and we'll put the link down below if you also want to book your Cloud Forest and Flower Dome experience. And you can use our promo code CHUBEXPLORERS if you book by Klook. Just like that, we're at the Marina Bay Sands Sky Park. Ayan yung Merlion. You can see the Merlion from this side. And the Esplanade. So, andito na kami sa Sky Park ng Marina Bay Sands.
Kanina nasa baba lang kami. Ngayon dito na kami.
Ang daming tao. Anyway, we got our tickets through Klook. We'll put the link down below. And if you're also gonna book via Klook, you can use our promo code
CHUBEXPLORERS
to get discounts on your booking. Lang, nandun kami. There. And then we went there. That's the Cloud Forest and the Flower Garden. Pero galing talaga kami dun sa may construction. Ganda dito. So nice. So pretty. So, ay lang init. Nag-snacks muna kami. May slushy here. Sarap naman, $8. Kailangan masarap siya kasi $8 ha. And then we also got caramel popcorn, $8 din. And Coke Zero is $5. Huwag kayo akit dito ng gutom.
Dahil nasa taas ka, mataas din ang presyo ng mga pagkain.
From Marina Bay Sands to McKinley Hill. Venice McKinley, real quick. May ganito dito, di nyo alam yan. We're still at the Marina Bay Sands. Dito kami sa mall nila. And meron silang pa-pool at pa-boat. Pool na hindi pwedeng liguan.
At ginawa nilang wishing well. At may mga barya sa ilalim.
Ay, oo nga. May mga barya. Ginawang wishing well.
Wishing pool or wishing well.
Balik na kami sa McKinley, sa Venice lang. And now we're in Chinatown. So from Venice McKinley, nasa Divisoria na kami. So we're now in Chinatown. And mas mura yung souvenirs dito. Huwag kayo sa Bugis bibili. Pagpunta nyo dito, pag nag-Chinatown kayo, dito kayo bumili. Yung shot glass namin, mas mura by $3 dito. So, hanap lang kaming kakainan. We're gonna have dinner here at Chinatown. Here's our order. Bihon. And then, sabaw lang dapat to, pero may noodles din pala. So, that's beef soup. And then, yang chow, fried rice. And my most awaited dish, cereal prawn. Dito kami kumain. We ate at Kim Seng. And our bill for cereal prawn, yang chow, pancit, and one more noodle soup is 43 Singapore dollars. Super sarap niya. As in, lahat ng kinain namin ang sarap. Pero we had to take out na yung isang noodle soup kasi noodles din siya kagaya nung bihon eh. But super yummy. You can try it here. Then, saka aircon.
Highly recommended.
Yes. Thanks.